Hello you guys, so today's video is going to be a little house update slash master bedroom makeover, kind of. So basically we've been sleeping downstairs in the guest room since we moved in because we knew we wanted to upgrade our bed, our master bedroom bed, to a king size, but we didn't have furniture yet. But today we've got the mattress in, we've got the bed in, we've got the nightstands in, we've got basically everything we need to make this our master bedroom. So we're going to show you how we transform this empty room into a magical master bedroom. So far we have this bench that we put together that came pretty early on, and then we also have our TV mounted over in the corner that was done last week, but we have nothing else in here other than Meech's clothes in the closet. So we need to get the bed built, we need to get the nightstands built and in the room, and then we need to unbox our brand new king size mattress, which I'm super pumped about. So yeah, let's get to it right now. We just sprinkled some carpet, like, you know, like the rug cleaner powder on the floor. I'm gonna vacuum it up, and then we are going to start building all of the stuff. So let's get to it.
She's a Mona Lisa, everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa, everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah, 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 yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be her. And all the dudes are trying to score like it's fever. She lives a double life, puts on a show. What's under the subtle smile, we'll never know. She's a Mona Lisa, everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa, everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. Let me paint a picture, I see they don't understand. Feeling like Picasso, she brushing against my hands. Seen you from around the way, you didn't give me the time of day. You be making moves that year, who really care what Simon say? All the bad things, girl, I had to look past that. Call yourself a dime, I'm just trying to get my cash back. You be looking fine, so no wonder they can't match that. Louis V scarf, or I'm chilling with a dad hat. Whoa, slow it down like.
Okay, we built the bed. That took literally like 5 to 10 minutes. It was so easy. I will link that bed down below because it's really nice, and you'll see, not in this video, but down the line, the company that we got the bed from sells like these wall panels that are like a headboard, but they actually attach to the wall, and they look so dope. And we're gonna get those eventually, but we're saving for them right now because they're very expensive, but it's definitely what we want for the room. Okay, now to bring our mattress up.
That's all I use.
Let's see. Oh my God. Okay, I need your help. So we got the bed up, now we have to get our mattress up, and Lol very kindly not only sponsored this video, but also sent us a brand new king mattress for free.
What is she doing, guys?
I'm trying to get a king size mattress in the house. It's got to go up some stairs, so you will be taking care of that, sir, because king size is heavy. Because Lol came through for us, we decided to go ahead and purchase the Lol king size pillows for the bed with our own money, but we're about to be lulled the hell out. So we're gonna unbox this guy. You get to see a very satisfying inflation of a vacuum pack mattress, which is honestly one of the most fun things to watch ever. So let's do it. Lull has very kindly sponsored this video and gifted us this amazing king size Lull mattress. So let's give you the rundown on who Lull is and why you need them in your life. Okay, so we all know that buying a mattress can be like a whole ordeal. You have to go to a mattress store and jump on a million other beds that a million other people have jumped on and just get the rundown on all of these different types of pillow tops and springs and all this other stuff, when buying a mattress should just be simple. So Lull has basically simplified it for you. They have these amazing kind of memory foam style mattresses, and they come in sizes twin all the way up to king. I'm actually not sure. Do they have a California king? I'm not sure. But basically the way it works is you go on their website, you order whatever size mattress you want. They only have one type of mattress, so it takes out all of the guessing of which one will be the best. They're all great. So you just pick one in the size that you want, and then it's free shipping to your house, and then you get a 100-night risk-free trial. So basically you can sleep on this thing for 100 times, and if you're not happy with it, you can just send it back and get a full refund, and it's really no risk at all. And the returns are free too. So this big old mattress, not only will it ship free to you, but if you decide that you don't like it, which I don't know why you wouldn't, you can send it back for free too. So it really is zero risk involved. It's a pretty big size box, but it's not nearly as big as like the actual mattresses because it's vacuum packed. You roll it out onto the bed and then you cut it open, and then you can watch all the air go into it. It's really nice and satisfying to watch. And then, like I said, you can get 100 nights to sleep on it risk-free. Return it if you don't like it, but you guys will seriously love it. It is super duper comfortable. Like, I cannot wait to get some sheets on this thing. I definitely took a nap on it yesterday, but we're about to put some sheets on it so that me and Meech can get a really great night's sleep in our new master bedroom. I'm so pumped about it. But yeah, this video is sponsored by Lull. Thank you guys so much for sponsoring me. If you guys would like to try out a Lull, there will be a $150 coupon code down in the description box for you guys to use, so that you can not only get a really great mattress risk-free, but also save some money on it, because mattresses are definitely a big investment, but a good night's sleep is so crucial in any kind of work that you do. You cannot do your job or your life without a good night's sleep. So I highly recommend Lull, and thank you so much for sponsoring this video.
This is a big ass bed.
Okay, now we're gonna build our other nightstand. We built one the other day, but this one got delivered, so we're gonna build it now. We were gonna do it upstairs, but there's not much room, and we know we don't have a dining room table yet, so we figured why not just build it in this big open space and then carry it upstairs, because it's very light.
Ryan Little.
Now we're gonna go on and make the bed. We're finally gonna put some sheets on this bed. We have our nightstands up, one here and one over here. And after that, we don't have any decor. We picked out some pretty basic, like all white sheets, but we knew we wanted that for our decor in here. Basically the colors are gonna be black, white, gold, and gray. Because the whole room is gray. But we're keeping it very simple. We kind of want our master bedroom just to be like pretty and zen and just relaxing. So that's what we're going for. So I'm just gonna prop you up in the corner and you can watch me make this bed. Also, all of the sheets we got, I'm pretty sure everything that we got is from this brand Wham Sutta that we get at Bed Bath & Beyond. Everything will be linked down below. This is our favorite brand for sheets and towels. They're a little pricey, but they last really well. They're really, really nice and soft and luxurious. Honestly, if you're like bougie like us when it comes to like sleep and showering, like you just want like the hotel luxury kind of lifestyle in your house, this is the brand to go with. They're not like the most pricey because especially you can get 20% off at Bed Bath & Beyond, but they're good. They're just really good stuff. Like we've bought other brands and we always end up throwing those out because we just love this brand the most. So I'm gonna open up this sheet set, put this on the bed, and then we got a comforter set and some pillows and stuff, and let's do it. Like I said, everything will be linked down below, as well as the low mattress, as well as all of the furniture in the room. Everything's gonna be linked for you. So if you want any of our stuff, you can get it for yourself. You know what I gotta do first though? I have to go wash my hands because I did my makeup, and if I get any makeup on any of this white stuff, Michu's gonna murder me. So I'm gonna go wash my hands.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah, 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 yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be her. And all the dudes are trying to score like it's fever. She lives a double life, puts on a show. What's under this subtle smile, we'll never know. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her.
Let me paint a picture. I see they don't understand. Feeling like Picasso. She brushing against my hands. Seen you from around the way. You didn't give me the time of day. You be making moves that year. Who really care what Simon say? All the bad things, girl, I had to look past that. Call yourself a dime, I'm just trying to get my cash back. You be looking fine, so no wonder they can't match that. Louis V scarf, or I'm chilling with a dad. Whoa, slow it down like that. Just hold me down like that. Yeah.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa.
So I think that's gonna be it for this video. I would love if you guys could leave me in the comments down below some suggestions for art on the walls around us. Like, what do we put above the bed? What do we put on this big wall over here? What do we do? How do we decorate this place? Because right now it's very monotone, which I honestly don't mind for a bedroom. I like very simple colors in a bedroom, but we gotta spice up our life in here, don't you think? So let me know. I'm so out of breath. I never thought changing sheets would wind me, but you know, she's back in the gym. So we're gonna work on that. We're gonna work on that. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. It's probably a little all over the place, but I just want to take you guys on this house journey together. So I hope you enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and if you're enjoying my new house content, because I need to know. Do you guys like it? Do you want me to quit it? Like, do you hate it? Let me know. So I love you guys all so much. A big thank you to Lull for sponsoring this video again. Like I said before, check the link down below for a coupon code and to just shop Lull all together. I cannot wait to sleep on this bed tonight. Maybe I'll vlog part of it. I'll Instagram story it. So if you're not following me on Instagram, go ahead and do that. But I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.